How to check my Facebook login devices. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can check your Facebook login devices. So let's dive in. So first open up your Facebook app and then click these three lines over here on the bottom right corner that says menu. It's going to bring you to this page and now you have to scroll down until you find this option settings and privacy and click it. It's going to open up this drop down menu and here you have to click the settings option. And now it's going to bring you to this page and here you have to click see more in account center. And it's going to open up this page and you have to scroll down and choose this option that says password and security. And then it's going to bring you to this page and here you'll find the security checks option. And here you will find this option that says where you're logged in. Click this option. And here you can see your Facebook login devices. And here you can see your Facebook login devices. Simply click this arrow and you will be able to see your Facebook login devices over here. And you can select devices to log out by clicking over here. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.